Do you want to block someone on Instagram who's already blocked you? Well, you're in the right place. If someone has blocked you on Instagram and you aren't sure how to block them back, simply follow my steps and watch this video until the very end. I'm first going to open my Instagram application and then go over to my Instagram profile. Now, we first have to access their profile, but if you've been blocked, you probably can't go over to the search bar and search for that profile because you won't be able to see it. There's a trick on how we can open a profile that's blocked us. You want to open any post on your profile, and we will then mention that profile in the comments. The name of the profile that blocked me is apptutor028, so I'll add an @ sign and then type the username of the profile. When you comment on your post, you will then click on the username, and that's going to get us to the profile of the person that has blocked us and which we want to block. When you get to their profile, tap on the 3 dots at the top right corner of the screen, and then this menu will show up where you will see the block option. So you can now block this person even if they have blocked you on Instagram. I hope that this video helped you out, and if it did, make sure to leave a like on it, and I will see you in the next video.